Hello everyone, welcome to Infinity. So it's been almost 2 months since I have been testing this phone, and today I will be sharing my full review of Realme 9 Pro Plus. अभी मार्केट में 30 के सेगमेंट में बहुत सारे स्मार्टफोन हैं, बट Realme 9 Pro Plus को जो स्टैंड आउट करता है अदर स्मार्टफोन से वो है इसका कैमरा सेटअप। ये सोनी के IMX766 सेंसर के साथ आता है जो कि फ्लैगशिप सेंसर है एंड ऑप्टिकली स्टेबलाइज्ड है। So let's start with the camera performance only. The photo which comes out in daylight is unbelievable. Photos काफ़ी sharp, detail और color accurate रहती है. It feels like photo has been taken from an high-end phone. It's not just with the daylight photo, but if you move towards the night shot, you can see that it has a great detail in it. Overall, I think that Realme 9 Pro Plus has the best camera setup in this price segment. Well, moving towards the display, the phone comes with a Super AMOLED display and it has a screen size of 6.4 inch and ये काफ़ी compact phone है. कॉर्निंग गोरिल्ला ग्लास 5 के प्रोटेक्शन के साथ आता है. Being a Super AMOLED display, you have the option of in-display fingerprint sensor. And in my testing, I haven't faced any issue regarding fingerprint, and it works great all the time. The one thing which I don't like about this display is its refresh rate. ये सिर्फ 90 Hz के refresh rate के साथ आता है. And I think that if a company is charging 25k for a particular phone, 120 is a must, I think. Other than that, the phone comes with a touch sampling rate of 360 Hz, which is definitely gonna help you in your gaming. Well, talking about the performance of the phone, it comes with the new MediaTek Dimensity 920 processor paired with 6 or 8 GB of RAM. It's a 6nm octa-core processor. I have played a lot of games like BGMI, Free Fire and many other casual games, and I haven't faced any stutter or lag in the gameplay. One thing to note guys, the phone at the time of gameplay near the camera area was getting warm, but it was not overheating. So yes, the cooling system is definitely helping the Realme 9 Pro Plus in the gaming session. The phone comes with a 4500 mAh battery and I think it's a very massive battery, and battery backup काफ़ी अच्छा था फ़ोन का. I was getting around 6 to 7 hours of screen on time. Well, the phone comes with 65 watt of SuperDart Charge, although the phone supports only 60 watt, and it took me around 42 minutes to charge the phone from 0 to 100%. The phone also comes with 3.5 mm headphone jack. फ़ोन जो है वो बहुत सारे ब्लोटवेयर ऐप्स के साथ प्री इंस्टॉल आता है लाइक जोश ऐप, बट द गुड थिंग इज़ you can uninstall them. Currently, Realme 9 Pro Plus is running on Realme UI 3.0 based on Android 12, which comes out of the box. That's great. The optimization on this Realme UI is done very great by Realme. and opening up apps and closing apps feels really smooth and fluid. One more thing which I've liked a lot about this Realme 9 Pro Plus is its haptics. It comes with a very great haptics. Swiping through the apps, typing, it feels really immersive. Adding more to that, it also has a lot of personalization option. सुपर एमोलेड डिस्प्ले होने के कारण ऑलवेज ऑन डिस्प्ले का फंक्शनैलिटी मिल जाता है. आप थीम सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ थर्ड पार्टी आइकन्स टू सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम. You can also select your fingerprint animations. You also get that Realme experimental lab features here, like heart rate measurement का ऑप्शन दिया गया है जो कि आपके फिंगरप्रिंट सेंसर से ही वर्क करेगा. DC डिमिंग का ऑप्शन है. डुअल मोड ऑडियो है जो कि आपके ईयरफोन्स के साथ वर्क करेगा. Overall, I think that the amount which you are paying for Realme 9 Pro Plus is definitely worth the money. First of all, the phone comes with a great camera setup which no other phone provides in this price segment, and has a powerful processor and a great color changing design in it. So guys, that was my full review of Realme 9 Pro Plus. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. So that's it from my side guys. See you soon in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.